So one place I like to go search for products is Facebook ad library. Like you can't go wrong with Facebook ad library because there are products that are already selling. So you just pick one and just continue from where that person stops. So you like to filter through, and I put media type videos because videos perform more than image. So videos and platform, I pick Facebook. So just to filter out all those rubbish storybooks that pop up. An impression date, I take it back by at least 5 days. Like you could take it back for a week because there's nobody will be selling a product for straight 1 week. That is not profitable. As simple as that. So put it like this. Now apply. So it filters through and gives me results. Yeah, these are results. You see, there are a lot of products here you could just pick from. Now this is someone that is selling this product. Although I will not advise you to sell it very, very expensive products. If you plan on expanding, it's kind of like limits you because of the price. The price tends to like limit you. Now this person is products together. Okay. So just keep scrolling. There are a lot of health products. Like everybody's selling health products on the ad library. Everybody's selling a solution health products. You just keep scrolling till you find something that kind of like resonates with you that you like. Like this product now. This product selling this product has been selling this product since 2023. I started e-commerce in 2023 and I've been seeing this ad since 2023. Like bro is very relentless. Like I need to learn guys the person's strategy. Most likely to be Dago because Dago really like Dago likes fitness. Like that guy and fitness 5 and 6. So it might be Dago. So just keep scrolling to find something worthwhile. I need something nice. So I can show an example of how to get a supplier for that particular product. So let's keep searching until I find something. Okay, what's this? This is a men compression vest.
So Sugar, I got me this new compression shirt.
The person has been selling since the 5th of March. See how person is only using this creative and only using this creative. View ads. Oh, then I'll have to log in. Nah, I'm not gonna log in. So let's go back. So now this person sells a compression file. Okay, he's using 20 creative. Now look at this 20 results. 2 ads use this creative, 2 ads use this creative. Bro has killed life out of this product. Now let's just see what the sales page looks like. Okay. Although I don't like sales pages that have multiple colors like this yellow, blue, black, white, like it somehow looks somehow, but it's working for him. So just leave it the way it is. Don't spoil it. Now this person is selling this product for 28,000 naira and he has been selling for long. He has scaled this ad because he has multiple variations of this ad. Okay, he has been selling for since the 5th of March. Here, so let's see how much is this product. You can go on GG, go to gg.ng to find a supplier for this product. Now, what would we call this product? For example, let's say men shapewear. Cloth. So if I say shapewear, different things will pop up. Alright. Now let's filter by the lowest price because we're looking for where we can get it at the lowest price possible. So men body shapewear, something like that should go. Men body shape cloth. I think that thing is a singlet also. So you just keep typing different from you just get something for men's singlets. Oh, hold on. There's something I can do. Let's say I search it with Google. Search with Google. So Google give us the name of the product itself. Okay. It says men's compression or men's shaping shirts. Fitness workout with training vest. Men body shaper. Let me try the word men body shaper. That should work. Having a bit of an issue with my tab. Not clicking. Men's body shaper. So I finally found it. So this person is selling for 5,000 naira, and the guy is in Lagos, 5,000 naira. And our friend here is selling this product for 28,000. Let's see how much he's profiting from this product. Now, we could just go with 28,000 naira minus 5,000 naira. So what's the average delivery cost? Let's just say 5,500. The average delivery cost 5,500. So bro is making 17,500 naira gross profit from this product alone. And if he sells two pieces, 2 units per day, for 6 working days for e-commerce guys, bro will be making 840,000 naira gross profit on that product alone. And that's if he's selling just two. If he's selling one, it's almost like 400 and something thousand naira. It's still a lot of money for some people. So now this product itself, I don't think it's only one person that's selling this product. I think there are a lot of people selling this product too. So I'm going to search its men's compression vest. Let me search men's compression vest. Okay, look at this. Say goodbye to embarrassment comes with having big breast and big belly as a man. That's nice. This guy has been selling since September 25. Since September 25, 2024, this person has been selling this product. That's to show you that it's a hot product. Nobody will be selling a product for that long if it's not profitable. And I think it's the same guy. Or maybe one of them copied each other. Like this, this person just copied. This person just copied Nova Awareness. Like, just copied it word for word, color for color. Like, bro, how much is Nova selling for? Nova is selling for 28, and this guy is also selling for. I think they are the same personally. Maybe they are the same person with different this thing. I don't know. Well, this guy's making shit ton of money. So that's it. That's it. Refining product here. You need to learn how to price your product. You don't just get a product. If you get a product cost, let me say for example, you find a product of 5,000 naira. This is how you price it. You price it by adding your delivery fee. You just estimate like roughly 5,500 on average. It might not be up to it, might be more than, but let's just put it on average. Then you add whatever expenses you might spend, like, or just leave it as simple as this. Then after doing this, what you do is you double it times two. No, times two. This is your selling price. Sell for 21,000 naira. You could add 15,000. You can sell for 25,000 naira. Whichever one you want to sell for. But make sure you test it and find out what product works well, and what pricing works well, and what pricing will be very good for your business. So that's it with searching for product on ad library.